When beginners open a clean architecture project, they feel scared. Too many packages, too many folders. Nothing makes sense. They think, how does this work? Where do I start? Why is this so much complicated? If you have felt this before, this video is for you. Today, I will show you why clean architecture looks complex and how to start it in simple way. Let's be honest. When you open a clean architecture project, you see folders like data, domain, presentation, DI, core, common, model, mappers. It feels like you need to understand everything at once. This is the first mistake. You are not supposed to build the whole structure on day one. Clean architecture is not about creating many files. It is about separating responsibilities. The folders exist to give directions, not to scare you. Here is the simple truth. You do not start with files. You start with empty packages. Create 4 packages: data, domain, presentation, DI. That's it. Do not create 20 classes. Do not create repository implementations. Do not create use cases yet. Just create the structure. Think of it as drawing boundaries first. If you want the clean architecture starter blueprint I use when starting any project, I've made a simple document. You can download it from the link in the description. Alright, now let's understand what each layer does. First, we have a domain. This is the business logic. It contains the pure Kotlin code. It contains the use cases. For example, it contains auth. It can contain the listing of the products, and it can contain add product. In this domain layer, there should be no Android framework in it. And then we have data. This is where data comes from. For example, the data can come from the DB. The data can come from the remote API. The data can also come from Firebase. And then we have presentation. This is the UI and view models. So it contains the compose screens and UI. Like for example, it can contain login UI. It can contain show products UI. And then we have DI. Let's say for example, this one is the DI. This is not the layer, this is just the wiring. It connects everything together. The data comes from the data layer to the domain layer, and then domain layer passes the data to the presentation. That's all. Each layer has its own job. And here is what beginners usually do. They create every file immediately. Repository implementation, use case, mapper, DTO, entity, UI state, events, but there is no feature yet. That creates confusion. Instead, build feature by feature. One feature, one use case, one repository, one screen. Architecture should grow with your app, not before your app. Another common confusion is models. People ask, why do we have model in data and model in domain? Is that duplication? No. They have different purposes. Data model represents API or database structure. Domain model represents business meaning. They are not the same thing. That separation gives flexibility later. For example, we have 2 models. One model is in the domain and one model is in the data layer. Both models have same name, but they have different purposes and they have different data structure. For example, take a closer look and you will see the ID have underscore before this, and in the domain model we don't have any underscore, and in this data model we have extra things, for example stock or brand. And in the domain, for now our application don't need these things, stock or brand, so we have skipped that. So in this way they have different purposes. When this data model changes, our application is not affected. So this is the main reason why we have different models in each layer. If you are starting clean architecture today, do this. Create empty packages, build your first feature normally, only create files when needed. Move logic to domain if it becomes business logic. That's it. You don't need to overthink. Clean architecture is not complex, it is just organized thinking. It feels heavy in the beginning because you are seeing the full structure, but once you build one feature at a time, it becomes natural. If you want more simple Android explanations, like this and subscribe so you don't miss the new ones. See you in the next one. Peace.